What's up? Hello? No. What's up, guys? It's Ryan Destiny, and you are about to go to bed with me. Not for real, but sort of, because I'm gonna show you my nighttime routine. First thing, finally getting into it. Wash your hands before you start anything. The mirror, we start out, I just sort of pump and rub it all on my face. Get down on the neck. Yes, I feel like it's all broken down. Now I'm going to rinse. Really great for the hyperpigmentation that I sort of have a lot of right now. It's the Black Opal Blemish Control Bar. You can see that. Now we rinse. It's like extra important to me to take off makeup before you go to bed. It just makes such a difference. It's the worst when you go to sleep with your makeup still on and you just know it just sets you back like a whole week. Like that's literally how it feels a lot of the time. So I don't like that feeling. Obviously life happens, stuff happens. I have gone to sleep with my makeup on, depending on how the night went. Now that my face is nice, squeaky, clean, fresh, I am going to move on. And I have my Black Opal lip oil that I really love. I sort of, kind of have chapped lips, but not anymore because I did a lot of trial and error and I finally found stuff that works for me. One of them being this, and it's really glossy, so as you can see, it works with my makeup as well as just sleeping because it nourishes and hydrates my lips. It's not just there to look pretty, you know? Next, we are going to start my serums. 3 pumps. Next is my Black Opal Brightening and Plumping Serum. Really great for dark spots. And it makes my skin feel really soft and supple. I really like that word, supple. You drop some things on the skin. Put that in there. This is also really great for like prepping your makeup. I use this serum right before I start doing my makeup and it like glides right on and like helps my makeup look better and applied on my skin better. I'm really blind, so I can't see so many things right now. I have like 50 pairs of glasses by Warby Parker. This is one pair. Little nerd alert glasses, fresh. Thank you so much, Harper's Bazaar, for having me, rocking with me. To everyone who's watching, I hope you really try some of the products that are in my nighttime routine and enjoy them just as much as I do.